Mr. and Mrs. Asali. They are Pennsylvanians. They have been living in Allentown for decades. Mrs. Asali's one of her brothers is a 25-year veteran of the U.S. Army, fought in Desert Storm. Dr. Asali's brother and sister-in-law have been working for an immigration visa for the last 13 years, since 2003, and yesterday were denied permission to enter the United States here in the airport in Philadelphia. I think others can speak to the legal issues far better than I, but as Pennsylvanian and as American, this is not who we are. Pennsylvania is a place of welcome. The United States was set up to be a place where people could escape oppression. This is not a place that people come to experience oppression, and that's what their family members experience. I, for one, as an American, as a Pennsylvanian, and I'm outraged. The Attorney General of Pennsylvania, Josh Shapiro, along with I think 16 other attorneys general from around the country, have instituted legal action to question the constitutionality of what the president did. I don't think he thought this through, the president, and I applaud Attorney General Shapiro for doing what he and his fellow attorneys general have done. I'm speaking as a Pennsylvanian, as an American. This family has done great things in Allentown for Pennsylvania, and I think it's a dark day for all of us that their family was treated this way. Do you wish to say anything? This is absolutely.
I'd just like to say I've been here for many, many years, and I am devastated what happened to our family. We've done everything by the book and by the rules, and what America wanted us. We always lived by the rules all our lives, and I was saddened and I'm heartbroken because they had to be sent back to the war zone, and we were so excited to have them. They were only an hour away, to be put on the same plane and sent back after 18 hours of flight and a long, long road of traveling. I'm glad that they are safe at this point, and I hope that this doesn't stay, because they don't deserve this, and we don't deserve this to happen to us.
What happened doesn't make like America right. We need to act more, to hope the people, to lead the people around the world. America is not America. It's not America I come for and live here. It is like ISIS now, they ask, are you Christian? What do you believe? And if they are not saying what they believe, they kick you out or they cut your head off. So America act same thing now. They ask you, are you Muslim? You gotta change your religion.
We will take questions. Anybody with any questions?
Status on the protection?
Excuse me?
Do you have any information on the protection of
We just you just had a phone call from your sister-in-law. They're back in Damascus.
They're back in Damascus, back in their homes at this point, waiting to see what happens out of this case. They're very tired. My younger brother-in-law, I hope he didn't have a heart attack, but he was not feeling well on the plane. So they're gonna go see a doctor, and I'm just hoping that they're okay, because it's been a long, long travel for them.
Mrs. Asali, what's your reaction to the outrage that we've seen around the country, thousands of people coming out to protest?
Our reaction?
Yeah.
I am very thankful for the American people, because I know Americans do not want to this. We are humans, regardless of our race, religion, color. We are humans, and humans are supposed to help other humans. That's what we believe. And I am so grateful to everything that's happening and with the Americans and the help of all these people, because they're helping, because I don't know what to do at this point. I'm lost. They ask me, what should we do? I say, I don't know. But I find these good people to help us now, and I'm very grateful to all of you.
status on the green card situation? Is there potential that was misinterpreted by ICE?
So
I think it's legal.
they had immigrant visas to arrive in the United States based on a family preference category. It was filed and started 2003. They were not allowed to enter the United States, and their visas have been canceled. We are working currently with representatives from the American Immigration Lawyers Association, the ACLU, to see what legal action we can take to rectify the situation as swiftly as possible.
Does that mean they might have to start all over again, or it's just a matter of taking off the cancellation? You see what I'm saying?
I do, and at this point we're not sure how it's going to play out, and I don't want to speak at this point.
Were the visas canceled yesterday?
The immigrant visas were canceled yesterday.
At the airport.
At the airport?
Before we were able to talk to an attorney and handle anything.
They were turned around in less than 2 hours.
I know some of the travelers that were detained here were let go, and it seems like they were in that window where, of course, they were deported. How likely do you think it is that they could be brought back?
So they were not deported. They departed the United States under cancellation of the visa, and so it's not exactly like a deportation. The likelihood of being able to bring them back is unknown at this moment, but we are working as swiftly as possible. There's a group of immigration attorneys upstairs that are strategizing. We've been in touch with multiple agencies, and obviously we have the support of the governor's office and the attorney general. So hopefully it will be rectified as swiftly as possible.
Were they pressured to go back that quickly, or could they have delayed it until some of this could be worked out?
This is something that we're looking into very